This video will explain how to use the overlay window. To open the overlay window, go to Test Tools, Overlay, or click the Overlay button in the Test Tools toolbar. To open an overlay image, go to File, Open Overlay, or click the Open button. To save an overlay image, go to File, Save Overlay, or click the Save button. The Clear button clears the current overlay. Click these two buttons to transfer the currently displayed thermal image or video image to the overlay window, where it can then be used as the overlay for the main image, or go to Setup, Get Thermal Image, or Get Video Image. To open overlay settings, go to Setup, Settings, or click the Settings button. Here you can set the max resolution. To expand the image, click the Large Image Size button. The Zoom and Pan bar and the Regions bar operate the same as the main image bars. Videos for these bars are listed in the description below. The Align bar has an automatic alignment button that will resize, rotate, and shift the overlay to align the polylines of the overlay to the thermal image. The Manual Alignment button opens the Manual Overlay Alignment window. Here you can enter the pixel size of the thermal image, or get it from the lens, and of the overlay, or calculate it from a line region. To align the regions of the overlay and thermal image, click Align to Point or Align to Line, depending on what kind of regions you used. The overlay can be flipped horizontally or vertically, rotated counterclockwise or clockwise around a point or line region, and shifted in all directions. You can set the degree of rotation and the number of pixels to shift. Next to the Undo and Redo buttons is the Set Undo Overlay button, which stores the current overlay into memory as the Undo overlay. The overlay window can be exported and printed under File, Export Window, and Print or Print with Preview. Click the link in the description for more information on this topic.